Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Gmail on HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro. Let's begin. As you probably know, you can't use App Gallery for this, as all Google services are basically banned on the Huawei phones. Well, especially this one, except this one. Third-party website, you say? Well, that is unfortunate. But as you can see, and that's funny, do we have Gmail pre-installed here? Am I stupid? Gmail. We don't. So I am not, and the Huawei is. Because we have built-in email application, whatever, but we want to use the Google Gmail. And in order to use it, we simply have to go into GSpace. Now, the application itself is not perfect, but it's doing its job with what it can. If you're wondering how to install GSpace and how to install Google Play Store and how to actually use it, don't worry, we have a video on that topic. But all you have to know is that you basically go into your app gallery, press find GSpace, install it, and then you can just do whatever you want. So we go after we go into our copy of Google Play Store via GSpace, we go to search. In here we search Gmail. And here we simply hit install, and after a while it should install. If for some reason it's not installing for you, or you have like a very confusing error message, I would advise you to simply restart the application, and if it's not helping, restart your phone. It helped me as I was recording how to install Facebook like a few minutes ago, and I had the same issue. So after the Gmail is downloaded, we can simply open it. We can simply hit got it, and we can add an email address, that being probably from our Google here. And as you can see, it still is not installed on our device. It's only using cloud to basically transfer the Gmail itself to us. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.